Swaggy Swan family. Let's talk about how your child's hair can start like this as a newborn, and if you take care of it properly, it will grow, it'll thrive. As you can see, my daughter's hair did just that. Millions of views, millions of products purchased, like products like aloe vera oil, and this product that we're going to talk about today that I have, which is the aloe vera hair growth straightening treatment gel. Now, we've come a long way. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More importantly, visit our website that has all the products I talk about in these different videos that have been doing so well for years. If you are not new here, and then you already know how this goes, I'm going to jump in and we're going to talk about this topic. Let's talk about how to detangle your child's hair and the benefits of aloe vera gel. Okay, as you can see, this is my daughter Savannah, sweetie Savannah. Make sure you guys follow her Instagram. It is linked below. Anyway, this is how her hair looks when it's not in a protective style. I don't straighten it. She hasn't gotten to that point yet, so one day she will. And this is how it looks when it shrivels up midweek. Okay, so that's a reality for lots of us moms, where your child's hair becomes so matted due to sweat, weather, all types of stuff. But this aloe vera gel right here, you see that? You see that? You get you some of that, and I'm going to show you how to do a transformation. So I put that in my hands, rubbing it around. You don't even have to part aggressively when detangling your child's hair, because that just hurts them, right? You see, when I put that product on there, I'm taking what I call a waffle style brush. Call it what you want. Smooth. Did y'all see that? One pass. Smooth. You have literally detangled a very matted, thick child's hair. I just need y'all to look at the zoom in. Like, you have to appreciate that. Moms know, if you know, you know, because it is the hardest thing to detangle your child's hair. Sometimes if they have really coarse, super curly, whatever the case may be, whatever their hair type is, that is the best thing about aloe vera gel that I offer. It does that. The great thing about aloe vera gel, it is natural and from the plant itself. Guys, look how it gets to the root on its own. You just smooth it through and it strengthens, protects with those minerals and all of those nutrients it has in it. It doesn't harden the hair and it locks in moisture. It's great. So let's do a comparison real quick. You see the name of the brand. We got some Shea Moisture Kids Detangler. I've used it before. I'm gonna show you better than I can tell you. So you're supposed to, take a couple of the hair strands and spray this Kids Detangler on it, and it is supposed to essentially detangle your child's hair, right? But the question is, whose hair? Can somebody answer that for me? Whose hair? Is it only one type of child's hair? Aloe vera gel has no preference. You can put this in all different types of hair types and you're going to see the results I just showed you. So I sprayed the Shea Moisture Detangler. Look, I put a great amount on there. I was fair. And I'm combing. We're probably at like 6 combs, 7 combs, 8 combs. This is what I believe that some of these brands believe is the definition of detangle. That does not work. At least it doesn't work for my African American child's hair. And this product is available in the African American section. But if we're being honest, I'm all about getting my money's worth and stuff that actually works. That didn't do the trick. So here I'm adding that aloe vera gel that I showed you guys. I'm just adding it to that area and all her hair at this point. And we're going to go ahead and comb through. And I'm going to show you again. As you see, the aloe vera gel is on her hair strands, right? All throughout there. Let's comb. Now, this is my definition of detangling. The strands need to be juicy and the comb needs to be able to pass through. My child needs to not be screaming and not feeling any pain. That is detangling. So a detangler is not to get your child's hair straight. We all know that, but you should be able to comb through it. So just showing you a little comparison there, because sometimes, the proof is in the pudding, right? So generally what I do is I just add that aloe vera gel all around her hair. I offer it in a little bottle. You don't need a lot. I mean, if your child has a lot of hair like Savannah, of course, go ahead, use a lot. There isn't any negative to putting the aloe vera gel in the hair. Another thing I want to point out too, sometimes with a lot of these products, you're having to use a great deal of it. If you guys go back in the video when I first sprayed the Shea Moisture Extra Moisturizing Detangler on that small section of her hair, I sprayed 18 times. 18 times, guys. Like, let's be for real. If that one small section with 18 sprays produced those results that I showed you, versus when I put a palm full of aloe vera gel onto those hair strands and then instantly detangle, I mean, come on. Now you guys understand why the products do so well that I sell. You understand why people have been rocking with us for so many years and why we have great reviews, because I'm not here to lie. Like, it is what it is. But more importantly, even if you don't choose to buy the products, that's on you. I respect it. Aloe vera gel, you can come up with your own concoction. You literally can get an aloe plant, like I've shown in many videos, from your local grocery store if they have it. Sometimes finding it can be challenging depending on where you are, which is also why a lot of people end up ordering from me at swanbeautycollection.com. But if you can find it, you can go ahead, if you have the patience, scoop out the gel within the plant with a spoon once you cut it open, and you can create your own concoction. I've been doing this for years and years. So what I add to the aloe vera gel to then put into her hair, and also with the hair care routine that I've established for her, that is what creates hair growth, longevity. So even when your child's hair, like how I take care of hers, it just starts to mat naturally, because again, weather, sweat, whatever the case may be, when it's not in a protective style, it's still healthy. Aloe vera is natural. Again, natural. Why you wouldn't prefer to put something like that in your child's hair, I don't know. The great thing about it too is you see how it instantly detangles. Whatever your preference is, or protective style preferences for your child, you can do it, you know, with aloe vera gel. There are some people who will add the aloe vera gel on clean hair, and they'll decide to do twist outs. They'll decide to do all types of style, you know, the ones with the little bobos in the hair, and it'll last because it keeps the hair juicy, well maintained, and it elongates it. You can see the difference. Dry, matted, brittle to the left from all types of elements, and to the right as soon as the product is added. After you've done adding the aloe vera all around the hair to detangle, or if you're just adding it because that's a part of your weekly or bi-weekly routine, which is what I do, that's fine. You go ahead, wash it out with some warm water. Doesn't have to be cold, okay? It's another misconception. Wash it out. Your child is good to go. You can stop there and then put a protective style or any type of style in your child's hair, or you can choose the shampoo after and be done. Congratulations, if you've made it this far. You've successfully learned how to use aloe vera gel to enhance your child's hair, make it grow, lock in moisture. Way to go, guys. Thanks for watching the video, Swaggy Swan family. All products in the video can be found at the website listed above, like these aloe vera edge rollers for growing edges, as well as the aloe vera hair growth oil with infused rose petals, as well as authentic Jamaican black castor oil, and the aloe vera treat too much when it comes to having a hair gel that you saw for your child today. And don't let them tell you that swanbeautycollection.com, as always, to get your products out or breaking off as free as possible. But you guys have shown so much support. Healthy years, growing, flourishing hair has to do with the hair care routine. Hit us up with a message on social media. Our information is also in the plan is below. And also remembering to encourage yourself. You are doing the best you can, and this is a lifelong journey until our children grow up and take on what we have taught them. Stay blessed and have a beautiful day, everyone.